but we covered this one and we did the connection behind this, and like there was a plug here, right?
Green Access Solutions.
Over here. So we need to plan out what we're going to do today. So we're going to move it. So first we run the cable first. We do this. Step number 3. We run the cabling. Once the cable is up there, you call me again. Can you guys make extra length? So go inside, open the door on back side, and put it at the corner, right? And then go back. Maybe add another one. And make sure here it touches the floor. It's better to be longer, the cable to be longer than it's short, or we will have problem later. Okay. So any questions, guys, before we proceed?
No, that's straightforward.
All good.
Okay, we do it now.
Yeah.
Start. So it's gonna go up there. It's gonna go up there to the side. Look at that, you look at that cable tray, right? It's gonna jump on that side, put another hose, 2 hoses on that one, and stop on that truck right there. We use the biometrics that will be moving from this area to the other side. So currently this is run by an adapter which we will not be using later. Okay guys, did you follow the... Yeah, good. Looking host, huh? You, Mr. Veteran man. What can you say about this project?
It's okay.
How about the security guards here? Alright guys, I'm gonna go to somewhere first. Hotel, Laguna Hotel.
Laguna?
Yeah, we'll reach. Okay, goodbye. Hello. Day 5. Yes, inside. One cable will be short, one cable will go here. So there's 2 cable each, right? One, don't cut it short yet, maybe up to here. Yes, one ply, yeah, two ply, one ply. Then one will go straight to the, yeah, because we're gonna cut it from there, and then we'll join again, right? But don't cut two, cut only one wire. Huh? That's okay, just take your time. So we're actually using this, what we call this again?
Tile bit.
Yeah, tile bit. But no, there's a name for it, but I forgot.
Bit for the tile.
I forgot, but later I will flash it on the camera so they can, I mean the screen so they can see. It's a special bit. Put it in the hammer mode. Come, give him this tester. Get the main one, main body. Saan ka nang galing?
I came from break. I was outside.
Alam mo ginagawa nila? Alam mo yung...
Not for web, but not for web.
Skimming lifestyle.
Yeah, mantap na rin po na. Find something with a daily
This
basis.
experience is really
Huh?
This experience is making me
Sorry, what's the power? 12.1, huh? Is it negative or positive? Okay, reverse it. Reverse see if it's going to have negative. Do you see negative there? Do you see negative in front, Nagat? Okay, reverse it again.
Master naik kat ini, jadi kat itu. Itu master naik kat itu.
Take it.
Or something. This one only.
Yeah, yeah. The hose. Close it. Remove it first before you close it, huh? We will remove this one first.
Remove this one.